SVKM's Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, that is NMIMS, has 8 campuses across India. Our focus today is on the Navi Mumbai campus, which students have rated 4.3 out of 5 stars on Shiksha.com. How is the BTech course here? Let's find out, starting with its placement rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. As per the final placement interim report of 2023-24, the highest package offered to BTech students was 6 lakh per annum and median stood at 3.5 lakh per annum. When compared to the neighbouring and similarly established Government College of Engineering and Research, NMIMS Navi Mumbai's median salary is marginally more attractive. Top recruiters included Adani, Aditya Birla, Coca-Cola, Zee Media, Britannia, TCS and more visited during the placement drive. However, some BTech AIDS students reported challenges within its placement committee, stating that both subpar coding skills as well as lack of communication with the main campus resulted in reduced recruiter interest. Moving forward now, NMIMS Navi Mumbai offers over 7 BTech specializations, including cybersecurity and computer science, data science, mechatronics, and others. The course was established recently in 2021, and admission to the BTech program is based on NMIMS CET. Tuition fees for BTech cybersecurity and computer science is approximately 4.25 lakh per year, while for computer engineering it is around 2.75 lakhs per year. The hostel charges at NMIMS Navi Mumbai are approximately 3 lakhs per year. Let's switch gears to the 4.2 star rated infrastructure and see what students are saying. NMIMS Navi Mumbai features a modern, well-equipped campus infrastructure with advanced classrooms, comprehensive laboratories, including computer labs, basic electrical engineering lab. Dedicated spaces for each specialization are provided for BTech students. The campus also offers hostel accommodations for both boys and girls. As per student reviews, on-campus accommodation is inadequate. The college management has acquired flats nearby to be able to tide over this shortage of space. However, students have reported issues such as poor mobile network and inadequate Wi-Fi connectivity. The canteen offers quality food, albeit at a higher cost. The campus also features a well-equipped sports room where students can play table tennis, foosball, carom and chess. Despite these amenities, students share that the campus lacks a dedicated playground for recreational activities. Moving on to faculty and course curriculum, which has received 4 stars from students. Students share that faculty is supportive, qualified and knowledgeable, though teaching quality is average. Some students found the course curriculum to be inadequate. Since the curriculum is designed by TCS, sometimes even the college has doubts around this, which might go unaddressed, thus eventually impacting learning of students. The campus life at NMIMS Navi Mumbai is vibrant and engaging, and this has received a 3.4 star rating. NMIMS Navi Mumbai offers student access to various clubs including arts, Rotaract, cultural and more. In addition to clubs, this college also hosts several events, workshops and festivals such as Scribblings, Session 0, Intra-Debate competitions, Nirvana 2023 and more. Lastly, the NMIMS Navi Mumbai campus is currently unranked by NIRF. For more details on NMIMS Navi Mumbai and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.